Babe Wodumo and Mampintsha welcomed their baby. Off the back of their brand new reality show Ithandola Dumo, Babe Wodumo and Mampintsha have just announced that they've welcomed their first child. The new mom shared a snap from the maternity ward carrying the bundle of joy with Mampintsha beside her. Ithandola Dumo follows the couple leading up to their traditional wedding. In the first trailer, Shamara reveals that they fell in love before they started making music together. "We dated for a while before we got into music," quote, he said. Mampintsha's representatives can be seen paying the Simulane's Babe's family a visit to ask for their daughter's hand in marriage. Their request was initially turned down. Viewers will get an exclusive look into the Lobola negotiations and how much was the bridal price for Babe. The reality show will also document the couple's high-profile traditional wedding, which took place in April. It was attended by close family and friends. Shortly after her big day, Babe took to social media to give us a glimpse into her big day and thanked everyone who came together to make her special moment possible. According to a statement issued by Showmax, Ithandola Dumo is produced and directed by SAFTA winner Thomas Schumann and SAFTA nominee Nanjal Radu through their production company, Parental Advisory. "No one will be able to predict everything that happens in this show," said Thomas Schumann. "We know it's going to start a lot of conversations." Chatting to Mac G on the popular podcast and Chill earlier on in the year, Babe had hinted that she had a reality show that was on the way. She also opened up about dating her husband when she was still in her teens. At the time, she did not think that their relationship could go anywhere. "I met Mampintsha when I was still a video vixen. I was 16-17 years old. He'd always call me to check up on me, and I ended up catching feelings. We will be surprising you guys soon. Our wedding specialists will be on Showmax," she said. All 3 episodes of the Showmax original will be available to binge on 30 June 2021.
Yeah.